Hello there. In this video, we carry on solving more questions about Python, and in this video, we solve questions about functions. You know that a function is a block of code that you call when you want to, and it's something that takes an input and gives you an output. So let's start with the first question here. I'll read it first. A function takes two arguments and prints its output when given. So that function, when you give it 25 and 5 as argument, it prints 625. And when the arguments are Python and 2, it prints out Python 4 times. How would you define such a function? So you should notice here that this value here, we can get this value by squaring this 5 and multiplying both numbers. Also, to get these for Python here, we need to square this 2 and multiply it by Python. So to define such a function, let's define the function and call it func. So it takes two arguments. Let's say x and y. So it prints x times the square of y. So we can do the square of y like this, multiply it by itself. So let's call this function and make sure it works. So let's give it 25 and 5. I'll call it another time and give it Python and 2. So let's run this code and see what we get. Yeah, we get similar results. 625 and 4 Python. So yeah, this works fine. So I'll comment this and move to the second question. Write a function that takes an input in kilometers and prints to the screen this input written in miles. And we are given here the formula to convert kilometers to miles. So I'll write the function and call it. I'll call it miles to km, right? So I think it takes kilometers, just it's k, and it prints this in miles, this k in miles. So we need to multiply this k here, which is kilometers, times this number. I'll just copy it, paste it here. So when we run this let's give it 100, no, let's just give it 2 kilometers and see what we get. So 2 kilometers, yeah, in miles it's 1.2428, and this is correct. So let's do the third and last question. So we have this code here, and we need to tell the output of this code. So we have two function calls here. That's where the code is going to be executed. So in the first call, we give A and B as inputs, these ones here, 4 and 5. So inside the function, we add them. That means this call should give us 4 plus 5, which is 9. And for this one, we give it 3 and 4. So we add them inside. So this gives us 7. So if I run this code, we should get 9 and 7. So yeah, so that's all for this video. I'll see you in more videos where we solve more questions about Python. See you, bye.